Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to purchase an Etsy gift card in the Etsy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Buy an Etsy gift card button. So first choose your design. As you can see, there are plenty that you can choose from. And then just set the amount of money that you want to put on. Then just fill these forms out, like who you want to give, from whom it's going to be given, and then if you want to write some message as well. And as you can see, there's an option to print at home or email to a friend. In case of emailing it to a friend, you have to give the recipient's email and then confirm that email again. And then just click on the Add to Basket button. And then just go to the basket, and you can click on the Proceed to Checkout button, and then just pay that with the amount or with the type of payment method that you chose. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.